Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy real estate using cryptocurrency, follow these step-by-step instructions to navigate this emerging method of property purchase. Step 1. Research properties that accept cryptocurrency payments. Some real estate agencies and individual sellers now advertise crypto-friendly listings on specialized platforms. Step 2. Understand the legal and tax implications in your jurisdiction. Consult with a real estate attorney and tax professional experienced in cryptocurrency transactions. Step 3. Determine the conversion method, direct crypto payment, crypto to fiat conversion through an intermediary, or using a crypto-backed loan to purchase with traditional currency. Step 4. Work with a real estate agent familiar with cryptocurrency transactions. They can help navigate the unique challenges and paperwork involved. Step 5. Conduct thorough due diligence on the property, including title search, inspections, and appraisals, just as you would with a traditional purchase. Step 6. Use a reputable escrow service that handles cryptocurrency transactions. The escrow protects both parties during the transfer of crypto and property title. Step 7. Execute the transaction by transferring cryptocurrency to escrow, ensuring all legal documents are properly filed. Be prepared for potential delays, as this process is newer than traditional real estate transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.